Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI cash machine review. Guys, in a nutshell, AI cash machine is an online money making software. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software AI cash machine. I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs. I'm going to show you everything guys that no one can share with you. And if you want to guys really make money from online, this is the easiest way to generate money from online. Why? I'm going to show you the full details. Guys, right now I'm in the official website, the sales page of this software, AI cash machine, and I wrote the full review here on my blog for marketing. You can see this is my blog for marketing. I wrote the full review about this software AI cash machine. Here is all the information like table of contents. What is AI cash machine? AI cash machine is an automated tool designed to help ordinary people make passive income using artificial intelligence. Instead of sending hours writing, designing, or struggling with online tools, the system uses AI to create content automatically, post or repurpose content for income streams, generate revenue 24/7 even while you sleep. Okay guys, and how does AI cash machine work? Here is all the information. Okay, just consider the link guys, the full review link in my video description below. Click the link and read the full review, full details. Then you decide join this software or not. Okay guys, here is the features and benefits of AI cash machine. What is the benefits actually? Here is all the details. And why choose AI cash machine instead of other systems? Okay guys, there are hundreds of online money making tools. I think you have probably tried lots of tools but you are failed. I highly recommend, my number one recommendation, you can try this method, try this tool also. Why you should consider this one? Most systems still require manual effort, but this is automatic. It focuses on automation, proven to work for beginners. It doesn't really on risky tricks. Okay guys, who can use AI cash machine? This system is designed for everyone. If you're students, retired persons, job seekers, stay-at-home parents, and beginners, no problem what's your current profession is. Okay, and bonuses and extra benefits, they will provide lots of bonus. I'm going to show you also all the information on the sales page, so guys stay tuned. Here is the cautionary note. Okay guys, why you click the link in my video description below. This is the 100% legal and original official website link. Lots of fake website on the market. Okay, here is the frequently asked questions. Do you have any questions guys? Do you have any questions? Your answer is available here. Okay, and this software will give you, AI cash machine will give you 60 days money back guarantee. Okay guys, 60 days money back guarantee. That means you can try it out 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Okay guys, you can see 100% 60 days money back guarantee that you can see here. That is, you can see, maybe I think this is zoom. I zoom. Here is the zoom in. You can see 60 days. Okay, I think you will understand. Okay, and here is the conclusion, and here is the official website link. When you consider the link guys, the full review link in my video description below, just read the full review and reach bottom of the page, then you can see visit official website link. When you click here, you will reach this page and you must watch this video. Okay guys, and then you can read all the information that you can see here. Okay, here is a lots of information shared the software creator, the system creator. Okay guys, here is a lots of testimonial also, you can see. Okay, I'm just quickly scrolling, guys. Okay, oh yeah, I'm just quickly scrolling. This is the creator of Slate Kufa. Okay, guys, and lots of earning proof they actually shared with you, and lots of bonuses also they will provide. Here is the training videos, world class support also they will provide, AI cash machine mobile edition, AI guided app, the dark horse platform. So guys, they will provide a step-by-step training, so you have no problem, and you will also get these bonuses. Here is the bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, bonus number 5, and this 5th bonus they will provide, guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys right now the exact pricing. The exact pricing of this software right now only $17, but this is the front end offer. But also this software has OTOs, guys. OTO number 1, $67. OTO number 2, $97. OTO number 3 is $197. This is the done for you section, and this is all the pricing and OTOs, guys. So price is very low because this software continuously generate money for you. And that's it, guys. This is quick overview. I think I have given you enough information about this software AI cash machine. If you want to learn more, just consider the link and check out all the information that I provide here on my blog, and that the provide the software creator 𝐶𝐤𝐫𝐶 here on the sales page. I think you guys are subscribed my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel. Stay safe and thank you. See you soon on next video.